Hello friends, I am Brij Kishore Sharma Tara from Rajnandgoan in the state of Chhattisgarh in India. Today I have a very queer and vintage item for your kind observation, kind appreciation, and a little entertainment. This is my Kodak 620 Brownie E vintage metal box camera. This camera was manufactured in England in a period ranging from 1940s to 1950s. So this camera may be at least 70 to 80 years old. This camera used a vintage type of film roll known as 620 roll film, which is perhaps not available anywhere. This is the front side of the camera, right side, back side, and left side. In the left side, we have this socket for camera stand, and in the front, we have this meniscus 100 mm lens, and these two lenses are connected with two viewfinders because this camera is equipped with two viewfinders. One is on the top and the other is on the right side. If we want to take any shot in this standing mode, then we use this viewfinder, and if we want to take shots in this mode, then we use this viewfinder. This viewfinder is connected with this lens and this with this one. Here we can see this black button which is used for taking shots. Look at the lens here. This camera also has a lock system. If we press this handle downward, then we can avoid taking any shots by error. In locked position, the shutter does not work. And on the upper side you can see letter I and B. These are shutter setting. They just see in B setting the shutter remains open as long as the button is pressed. And in general position, the shutter button is pressed and shot taken. B setting is used for taking shots of cloud lightning. At night, when we have to take any lightning shot, then we take the camera out and move towards the sky, and and in B setting, and we keep the shutter button pressed. And as soon as any cloud lightning occurs, the shot is taken. If we want to take more lightning shots, then we may press the shutter button, and the shutter is open, and as soon as the lightning occurs again and shot is taken, then we can release the button. And to load the film in the camera, we have to pull this knob. This structure is taken out of the camera body, and 620 roll film cartridge is inserted in this chamber. And for your knowledge, I want to tell you that 620 roll film or 120 roll film were covered with a long paper strip, one side black and outer side red. On the outer red side, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, etc. were printed. These were meant for information as to how many shots have been taken. So, when the cartridge was inserted here, and film along with the paper strip was moved forward to this spool and fixed here, and when the shot was taken, here appeared the number 1, which was printed here, and we could see it through this window. And when the film was moved forward for taking new shots, then we could see the number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, etc. And when all 16 shots were taken and cartridge now empty, and the film roll wound in this spool, then we had to move this knob anti-clockwise in this way. This made the film along with the paper strip move once again back to the cartridge. And when the film roll was enclosed in the cartridge was taken out to film studio for photo studio, I beg your pardon, photo studio. It was processed there. Here you can see the shutter from inside. This is in B setting, which is used, as I have already told you, for taking shots of cloud lightning. And for general purpose, The setting is turned to eye setting. And now look at the shutter. It is open for microseconds. Just look at this shutter. Well, I hope that you must have liked my simple presentation of the specifications and function of this vintage camera, and I hope that you will a little appreciate my effort. Thank you.